very simple. The rule is you cannot criticize in a manner that will obstruct, impede, or degrade the administration of justice while the case is pending. Now, why the case is pending is also a technical term of art. It's not a rhetorical phrase. While the case is pending means while there is still something for the court to do in the case.
Meaning like he has filed a motion for reconsideration.
When the decision is promulgated, the case is not yet terminated. The layman's understanding is once the judge has promulgated the decision, tapos na ang kaso. Hindi ganon sa batas. Kaya kung minsan ay mapanganib na ating ibatikos ang ating mga hukom kung hindi natin naintindihan ang rules of court, because under the rules of court, a case is not final and executory until after there is nothing left to be done on the case. Now, in this case, after promulgation of judgment in a criminal case, there is always a period of time, maybe 15, maybe 30 days.